Welcome back, folks. Here I go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor straight appearance package. Original North Sea blue, guys. Wow. Folks, just so you know, the paint on this bad boy is immaculate. It only has about 2 door dings and very tiny little scratches that are really not noticeable whatsoever. Folks, this vehicle came from Maricopa County, Arizona. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and it is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Vehicle doesn't need any repairs, as I already took care of everything for us. Tinted windows from the department, what it appears to be medium on the rear, light in the front. Folks, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition. I can't not emphasize that enough. Believe me, I go to Crown Victorias every day, and I know a good one when I get in one. Folks, just so you know, the vehicle does have 3 holes. One in the trunk lid where that plastic plug is, 2 on the roof where those 2 factory plastic plugs are. Now, there is no air or water leaking into the cabin. Those are sealed tight. Once again, those are from factory. Look at the paint, folks. Wow. Tinted windows on the rear windshield. It does have the little cutouts. You guys can see it right there from where the lights were. I decided to leave that alone because I don't know what your plans are. This vehicle is E85 flex fuel, okay. With gas prices in California $4.20 for regular and leaded, believe me, E85 comes in handy. Great tires from the department. Those are going to be the Firestone Firehawk Pursuit tires. Once again, those came from the department. Folks, I think I didn't mention this, but this vehicle does have 97,000 miles. My apologies, I didn't mention that. 97,000 miles on this bad boy. Clear lights and lessons on the front. Some little minor scuff marks. The front bumper, you can kind of see those there. Once again, whoever had this vehicle did a great job taking care of it. It is in super conditions, and I'm not just saying that, I'm telling you it is in super conditions. Let's go inside. Let's take a look. Remember the 2 door dings I told you about, guys? There's one right here, and there's another one somewhere here in the trunk. You can kind of see it, but they're there. Folks, once again, it is my job to let you know what the car does have and what doesn't have. That way, you're not gonna call me and say, hey Mario, you didn't tell me there were 2 door dings in the car, man. So, you know what? Guys, I try to do a great job, very detailed, letting you know what the car has and what doesn't. Flex fuel cap. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle, it is complete. Matching rear seats, seat belts are in place. Carpet flooring with matching floor mats. Factory floor mats. Rear door locks are fully operational from inside and out of the car. Switches, door locks are in place. So yes, if you have passengers, they will be able to open the doors from the inside. Folks, for those of you that ask me what rear axle code this vehicle is, this is going to be an X-Ray 5, so it's going to be a 327 track lock electric seat. Driver's side seat is in perfect condition, so is that passenger side. Perfect dash, no holes on this bad boy whatsoever. Factory AM/FM CD player, working cruise control, honk works, electric retractable pedal. And folks, let me tell you, This vehicle is equipped with the fire suppression system from factory. See if I can. Fire suppression system from factory. All right, built into the vehicle. Ticket light works. Sorry guys, let me clean this up here for you guys. Map lights still work. All right, let's fire her up.
Hope and encouragement is the time that you need to call this number. It's 800-525-5683.
Vehicle does have 97,000 miles. I'm responsible for 36 miles driven so far. I reset the clock by accident, but there it is, 36 miles on record that I've driven the vehicle for here on the odometer. 2081 idle hours.
Save my voice because
stereo works.
Okay, there we go. It's 800-525-5683. 60 seconds on the clock. Starts right now.
Also guys, before I forget, this vehicle, whoever had this car before over there in Maricopa County, they put a what it appears to be a dash cover. Perfect fit if you ask me. So whoever had it, once again, they were taking care of this vehicle. I can tell you by the conditions that this car arrived in. All right, let's go to the trunk. Folks, as you can see, I do have a full spare wheel. Full wheel here. It's a 17-inch wheel with a Goodyear RSA tire. Hold down pen inside. Floor jack is in the back. Folks, those wires, I decided to leave those alone. If you wanted to put lighting on the vehicle, you already have the wires set up ready to go. All you have to do is activate the bulbs. Get bulbs for the lenses. Run power and ground to the front, and you have working lights. Once again, I decided to leave that alone for you guys. I don't know what the new owner, what the plans will be for the new owner, so I'm leaving those alone. The paint looks almost perfect, guys. Almost perfect. Oh, I didn't open the hood. Sorry, let me go in here real quick. The clock is ticking. Alright guys, here she is. Once again, she's been completely serviced and detailed, turnkey, ready to go anywhere, and she doesn't need any repairs. She is road ready. Once again, I've set you up for success on another gorgeous vehicle. Bam! Alright, here we go. Starting right to left. I do have a new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Synthetic blend 520 oil change with filter. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Transmission was serviced, fluid and filter. Merkin LP. What it appears to be like a new battery for that department, guys. Also, it appears to have a new semi-new water pump with a semi-new intake manifold that's been replaced already not too long ago, I can tell. Let me clean this up here for you guys. It's being replaced already not too long ago. It's got a new 200 amp alternator. It appears to have a new electric crank shrouded module here, guys. Super smooth, super strong. Suspension is nice and tight, nice and quiet. Am I missing anything? Oh, and brakes. He's got great brakes all around front of the department. I checked them out. They're about 85% all around. So she didn't need any brakes. She was good to go. One last final look here, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, as I'm coming on my 10th minute here, I'm getting stuck. I don't know why I'm getting stuck. I'm too excited. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a 2011 for Crown Victoria Police Interceptor exterior appearance package from Maricopa County, Arizona. No rust, I repeat, no rust. Vehicle's in immaculate running condition and shape. About 2 door dings, very minimal light scratches that are hardly noticeable, and some very tiny little chips on the front. Once again, nothing major to worry about. You can kind of see the little dots there, but they're not big. Of course, if you're driving in Arizona highways, you're gonna get some road hazard coming at you. Alright folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. I gotta go, it's getting late here. Thanks for watching. Folks, please have a safe and happy weekend. This is the Crown Victoria signing off. You guys take care and God bless. I seen another Crown Victoria and I kind of just lost my train of thought. Must be the city. I'm admiring my car.